Hello students, welcome in our YouTube channel Knowledge Database. So in today's video, we are going to study how we can declare an array or how we can traverse in an array in C language. So just I will open the application. So here I am going to include the header files, that is hash include stdio.h. We know this header file is included for getting the standard input output functions, that is printf and scanf. And another header file I'm going to include, that is conio.h. That header file is used for console input output functions, that is clr, ser and get ch, etc. Now void main, that function should return value. Now this opening brace. Now I'm going to declare an array of type integer. So I'm going to give the name to that array as my array, having size as 5. Now I'm going to assign the values to that array. We know that array index start with 0. So 0 to 4 means 5 element we can store in my array. Suppose these are the variables in that array, 4 and this one is 5, fifth element. Now to clear the previous output, CLR SCR function I'm going to use. Now I want to display the upper bound and lower bound. Lower bound means lower element, that is array of 0 index. So for that we have to use printf. Then here we have to specify the format specifier %d. Suppose here /n to get the output at new line. Here I want to display the message as lower bound, comma. Now the first array index, that is my array, in bracket 0. This is the first. Now I want to display the upper bound, that is the last element. Again, here you have to specify the format specifier, that is %d. Here upper bound. Here one UND. Comma my array of 5. Now here, then after that get ch, then curly brace close. Then we will compile the program. There is no any error, and then we'll run. Here, that is upper bound is 0 and lower bound is 122. Now see here, why here 0 is displayed? Because we have used the first element, first index 0 and last index as a 5, array of 5. But we have stored only 5 elements, that is 0 to 5. Now again, if I'm giving here the value as suppose 4, then what will be the output? Again, we will see. Control F9. See here, upper bound is changed. So The index of array starts with 0 and end with n minus 1. How many elements you are going to store? Suppose 5 elements you are going to store, then upper bound will be 4. Now, if you want to traverse in array, you want to display all the elements of an array, then we have to use the for loop. So for I equal to 0, that is our 0th index or lower bound, then I is less than or equal to 5. Or we can give 4, comma, semicolon, I plus plus, bracket close. But before that, we have to declare the variable I. Now, here, I want to display all the elements of an array, that is my array. So here, printf in bracket, as usual, format specifier %d, and then my array, here I. As per the value of I, it will display. Again, here also I will use /n, means every element will be shown to the next line. No any error. So here, lower bound 122, then upper bound 90, and all the values are shown here. That is the traversing of an array. So in this way, we have seen how we can declare an array and how we can traverse in an array. We know array is an example of data structure in which we can store the similar type of data in a specific sequential manner. So I hope all the contents are clear. Thank you for watching the video.